Yeah, this one ain't as fun as some of the other ones. Alrighty, we're going over here to the Loves. Yee-hoo! Oh yeah, it's time for a burrito. Come on. So I decided to pull over with my big fat tires here. I forget where we're at. Hey, what town are we in?
I have no idea. Are we in Cartersville yet?
Anyway, it's time for us to get a burrito. We're on 75 over here. I had to turn my blinker blinks on. Driving through the interstate, through the intersection here. Yeah, buddy.
I think this is Cartersville.
Oh, okay. Anyway, this truck stop is a terrible truck stop. I'm just gonna park over here by the scales again and then just back up and go back out, huh? Like we did last time. How the hell did we do this last time? It's like the trucks are pointed the wrong direction or something.
Yeah, this is weird, having to go around the fuel island to get into it, and oh yeah, it's odd.
Whoa! What the hell, driver? I'm just wondering, that truck driver. That guy in the red truck, he looked at me like he was gonna kick my ass for honking at him.
You woke him up.
I could swear we just pulled up to that outside pump right there the first time we came in here.
I remember I sat there. Wait, did you get fuel here last time? Or was that somebody else I was here with?
It seemed like I pulled up there right at the scale pointing in, and then when we left, I just backed up and went out. The other went back out the same way we came in. Remember the last time we came here and I was like, damn, we should have went to a different place. I think I took a video. I climbed up on the tires or something, walked around up there.
Well, whatever it is, we need to remember and not do this again. Your third time will be the charm.
Yeah, we should have went somewhere else.
We've got to be through Chattanooga in 2 hours. It's 2 o'clock Eastern time right now, and they got a 4 o'clock curfew, so we're going to get out. Once we do get out of here, we need to push it a little bit. that truck on your left. That angle you're going at now, you're going to hit him.
I had a guy that parked really close to me, or he parked out in the middle of the driveway and I was going by and I bumped his trailer with my tires because there was nobody in front of me at the scale or at the pumps. So I just pulled up there to where my tire was just bumped the corner of his trailer. His cab rocked all hell around and all of a sudden he popped the clutch and jammed up out of the way.
Bumper cars with him, huh?
I wondered if he was going to come and yell at me and give me all kinds of grief, but he just rotted like hell out of there. He never even came and bitched at me or nothing. I guess he figured out if I was pissed off enough to bump his trailer with my tires, and he didn't want to talk to me.
I didn't blame you. For him sitting there where he was, backing out of the way. You'd have probably done it too.
I didn't hit him very hard, but that guy's dumping it. You see that guy dumping his piss bucket out?
That was dog water, I think.
That was his dog water?
He just got, his dog just jumped up in there.
Are you going to be a movie star?
I guess so. I charge extra.
You charge extra to be a movie star?
Yeah.
What the hell,
Maybe
over?
royalties.
I'm not going to put the camera right on you, Seth.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I don't want to be charged extra.
Video on his cluster front.
Yeah. Yeah. Some truck driver left his flipping blinker on again.
Yeah, he likes that one. He knows how to turn it on. He doesn't know how to turn it off.
Yeah. I'll go up and talk to him.
I wish somebody would. Maybe he'll listen to you.
Huh?
Maybe he'll listen to you.
He might. I'll kick his ass if he don't. Woo. We're just stopping here to get us a burrito. Or that's what I wanted to do, but I wish I would have just kept on going now. Anywho, we're here, we're doing it.